What's up guys, it's Alexia. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different in that I'm going to have my friend Martin demonstrate how to do a bench press for you guys. This video is originally something that I created as a project for my journalism class. However, I figured that it would be helpful to teach you guys how to do so. So without further ado, here's my friend Martin.
My name is Martin. I'm going to teach you how to do a bench press. Alright, so whenever you go on a bench press, the first thing you want to do is sit down right with your feet equidistant from each other in the exact same position. You want to go back on your back and retract your scapula as you're going downwards. Then what you want to do is you want to look up at the bar where it's at eye level, and put your hands right there. And then you want to detach by moving your body upwards to the bar to push it upwards, and then you want to set it right in front of the shoulder joint so that it's completely in line, no torque whatsoever, and then you just go down slowly, hit the middle of your chest, and then go up. Once you're done, what you want to do is you want to get it to a complete stop. You don't want to completely rack it without having it completely stop. Once you're at a dead stop, you want to just move it backwards and then rack.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that it was helpful in teaching you how to do a proper bench press. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get back to it as soon as possible. As usual, make sure that you're following me on my Instagram account at livelikeLex. I will leave it right up here. And also make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more content related to food, fitness, and fun. And as usual, I hope you have an amazing day and thank you so much for watching. Bye.